Today I will unbox an XLR cable, 3-meter XLR cable to be precise. So it's a male XLR connection to the female XLR connection. It's a 3-meter, it's red, it's not braided. I searched for some braided cable from over the internet, but I have not found, and this is what I end up with. But also today we will unbox this audio mixer, because as I said, if you watch my previous video, I have bought an cardioid microphone from the HyperX, and I needed an audio mixer for this, and here it is. So this is the audio mixer. It also is included in the box with an adapter from 6.35 millimeter to 3.5 millimeters adapter in it. But without any further ado, so let's see also what we have here. So it features 2-channel audio mixer for dynamic condenser XLR mix, line, level or instrumental signal, compatible with computers, laptop speakers, no latency, high headphone monitoring, 6.35 millimeters to 3.5 TRS adapter, 6.35 XLR combo inputs, 6.35 audio outputs, USB 2.0, and also supplies 48 phantom power via XLR input, which is super. This is what I need. And I also needed this because I wanted to connect it to my laptop. And let's see what I have in the box, what we have in the box actually. So in the box we have a couple of, so this is the box, I'll put it here. So I have here a couple of stickers from the BOYA. Good, I don't know if I will use those. We have here some others, user manuals and silica gel pack, not to have any humidity in the box, and USB 2.0 cable. What we have here, the adapter from 6.35 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter, and the box itself. And by the way, we have another sticker. Wait a moment. Yeah, it's not a sticker, it's an something here, and this is the audio mixer itself. So we have here input 1, and also we have here the input 2. In the back we have the USB connection, line output, so this is for speakers, monitor speakers, so right, left. In the front we have gain for the first input, gain for the second input, line, instrument. For sure I will set it for the line. I don't have yet an instrument, I will buy a guitar later on. Here we have the 48 volts phantom power. Here is the USB, monitor off or on. I have some monitors for this. Here we have the monitor min max. Here we have for the headset itself volume. So this is it, guys, the another unbox of an dual channel audio mixer. So if you have any questions, please comment and ask me those questions in the comment section. If you like the video, please like it. If you don't like it, dislike it. This I bought with my own money, so if you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for seeing this video. Cheers. Bye.